What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this hologram effect using Photoshop in just a few clicks. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this particular template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. To unzip the file on your Mac, simply double-click it. After extracting the file, a new folder will open up containing the template file. Next, navigate to the Photoshop file in the extracted folder. This file is what you'll use to create the hologram effect in Photoshop. Drag and drop the PSD file into your Photoshop project. Be aware that the loading time might vary depending on your PC's performance. Once the Photoshop interface is visible, you'll see the hologram effect template, which you will learn to apply to your artwork by the end of this tutorial. The next step is to use the effect on your artwork. Go to the Layer section in Photoshop and double-click on this smart object. This will open a new tab displaying a canvas with the placeholder image. You can ignore this placeholder. Instead, drag and drop your artwork onto the canvas. It's important to adjust your artwork to match the dimensions of the existing canvas for a cohesive hologram effect. After adjusting your artwork, press Enter on your keyboard. Then, find the eye icon in the bottom right corner of the window and click on it to make the background layer invisible as per your preference. Finally, press Ctrl and S to save your artwork. You can then head back to the original Photoshop file on the previous tab to see that it automatically applied the hologram effect. Once you're happy with the changes, it's time to save your project. Head to File in the toolbar and select Save a Copy. Next, rename the file and change the file type to PNG if you're exporting an image with a transparent background, or JPEG if you kept the background. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.